Gold and silver have started the day and the week with a modest bullishness with a little retracement. We have seen gold hitting 27.42 and silver at 32.70. What to expect today? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade logically and trade with confidence. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold followed with silver. Watch till gold on the early charts. You can find out it is finding a good support here at around 27.30. We have seen it hitting 27.30 earlier today, and we have seen a bounce back as well. Now it is trying to retrace 27.30.32 is indeed a very good support. It is also a twin bottom what we had seen the last week. Now trying to retrace, so possibility exists that we may see gold moving towards this zone, towards 50.55, and finding the resistance there. Then we will observe how it behaves. If at any point of time, if you see gold trading above 27.60, consider that it is willing to rise more, and we are looking forward to a greater reversal or a retracement from here. Yes, right now on the early charts, higher lows and higher highs, it is still trading in a very much bullish channel here. So till 27.60 at least we need to be cautious. But first thing is whether it can move towards 27.60 or not, and if it does show a move, where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 27.46.48 zone. I will say that 27.46.48 50 52 till here, or rather 56. Every 20 pips there is a greater resistance available for gold here on the upside. So you need to be very cautious with the buying entries. Though we can look forward to a little retracement, however you have to trail your stop losses here. This is the first point here. The moving average is crossing over here. Definitely it's a bearish sign. Possibility of a move towards 27.45.46 first is there. Beyond that we can see a move towards, in fact, 27.54.55, greater resistance there. Stochastic overbought. MACD crossing over here. This is slight signs of bullishness here. And after the crossover, this is the first greener candle, so we can expect two or three greener candles in succession, which means rather gold will trade either sideways or with modest bullishness here. RSI rising, again good sign here for the bulls. On the 2 hour chart, this crossover is important, and after the crossover this is trading bearish. See, while dropping, the candle sizes were bigger, while retracing it is with modest bullishness here, and this is repeating again, which means I will still not treat this as bullish, though it has formed a double bottom. But as long as 27.60 is not taken, we should not be treating this for a reversal here. This is very clear. Now second thing is, if you look at the candles here, higher lows and higher highs, let it break beyond 27.44.45 zone, and then we can expect a move towards 50.52 and in fact 55.56. Beyond this you can say that the bulls will take over completely. Possibility is there. Stochastic rising. MACD has hit the lows. It is willing to converge. Crossover, it is not yet crossover. We have to wait for a crossover in order to confirm further movements here. RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. On the 3 hour, when you see the 3 hour chart, see preceding two candles comes with a tail, and yes, there is a reversal sign. Post reversal sign, there has to be 3 to 4 candles, which suggests that there could be an up move which can take the prices higher. We can expect 27.50.55 zone to get achieved. In fact, 27.60 might get breached here as well. This, but it will definitely take some time, and it is going to deliver swings before it shows such move. And if you look at right now, the again the same, the bearish candles are sharp and the bullish candles or the retracement candles are smaller in size, suggest that this is under retracement and not confirming a reversal as of now. The stochastic rising from the double bottom levels, while the MACD has also hit the lows, trying to converge. A crossover here is only a confirmation of a reversal. Right now it is just converging, not yet crossing over. RSI rising, again a good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Two candles with tails here and higher highs here. We have to wait for it to break beyond 27.45.46, which will confirm its further advancement. We have to wait for the next candle, where it starts and how it behaves. That is going to be of prime importance, because see, the next candle is going to just begin, and once it stays beyond 27.45.46, the chances will be higher that we may see 50.52, 55.56, or in fact higher levels here. What I am observing here is a double bottom. What we are looking here is a lower lows, and thus possibility of a move towards 2755 or 2760 zone also exists strong. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD trading bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. RSI is also rising. Coming to the day now, before we move to the daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your query. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Remember, it is very important to have a broker which is trustworthy, safe, which is available globally and which offers you a safe free account with lowest spreads. Do join through the link and you will get the best spreads on offer. Now look at the daily chart. See, first thing on the daily charts to notice here is the higher lows what it is delivering, which is a good sign for the bulls. Second thing is the candle it is formed today with the beginning of the week. This could become a reversal sign here, but where is the confirmation that it is showing a reversal sign is if it trades first beyond 27 50 levels, 27.4850 and then 27.60. If these two levels are taken, this will become a reversal sign. Today's candle will become the first candle, and then tomorrow again we can look forward to a rise like this. So today's candle is definitely going to be important. We have to watch out how gold behaves. Any advancement towards 27.50-60 zone is a good sign for the bulls, in fact for tomorrow as well. So this is the point which you should keep a note of. Right now I can see for the day I will only recommend a selling entry now at 27.35-36 zone, below which also you have to be cautious till towards 27.30-32. And once it breaks below 27.30, chances will be high that we may see a movement towards 27.20 levels, which is going to remain very good support. And only bearishness today is confirmed if it drops below 27.20. We can say we are looking forward to a greater down move which is going to take it towards 27.10, 12 or in fact towards 2700. Yes, if it continues to crash below 2720, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Remember this point. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is dropped towards the oversold zone, and the MACD, this is crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish, looking down, and the RSI has dropped as well. So, looking at this, a possible slight retracement cannot be denied. However, I do not confirm a possible reversal, and thus if you are buying at 27.45, 46, you have to be extremely cautious till towards 27.60. What are the next resistances? 27.50, 52 first, 27.55, 56 second, and then 27.60 levels will appear as the greater resistances. Only bullishness is if you see gold trading above 27.60. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 27.36 levels. 27.36.35 should be a very good support, and below that 30.32. Bearishness today will prevail once you see it trading below 27.30-32 zone, below which we can expect a move towards 27.24, 27.20, the next target levels, and then below this you can expect a greater correction towards 27.12, 27.10 and then 27.0205 zone, the greater support zone. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now silver on the hourly charts, likewise lower highs here, it can create lower lows, which means a movement towards $33 levels cannot be denied here. This is possible that it can keep moving towards 33, finding the resistance it can reverse. This is the one point you should keep a note of. Second thing is it is going to get a greater resistance here at 32.80, 85 zone. Thus if you see it is staying above 32.80, 85, that is the point of time you can initiate a buying entry, but it will be difficult for certainly at 33 zone. You have to watch out how it behaves. Any movement beyond 33.20 is a sign of reverse. As long as silver trades below 33.20, we have to exercise a bit of caution. Yes, it is trading in this bearish channel. It can deliver lower lows, lower highs, and it can stay in this zone for a while. Stochastic to the top, MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence, staying bullish, RSI rising. On the 2-hour charts, when you see, the observation is more or less same. The good thing here is the increasing body size here, and thus we have to wait for the next candle. If the next candle turns out to be super bullish, we can expect a movement towards $33 levels here. This is the point you should keep a note of. Also notice silver is still trading bearish and it can continue to trade in this bearish channel here for a while before reversing. See, today earlier in the day we have seen a movement towards 32.30, which is and in fact it has created lower lows. So I anticipate that it can try to create lower highs and keep moving upwards before reversing. Stochastic rising, good sign for the bulls. And if you see the stock MACD, the MACD has hit the lows. It has just crossed over. Trading with modest bullishness, we can see an advancement here. We can see a retracement here on the upside before reversing. RSI rising, again a good sign. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same on the 3 hour charts here, increasing body size, and it can deliver higher highs, which means a possible movement towards 32, 80, 85. And once it breaks beyond this, we can see an advancement towards 33. Only bullishness confirmation is if you see it staying beyond 33, 33.20 zone, which will confirm its further movement towards 33, 50, 60. Now if you look at the near term for silver, you will find, see the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement is possible. It is trading in this nice flag formation here. This is a nice flag. The highs of this flag are towards 34. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD has also hit the lows, waiting for a crossover here. This crossover will confirm the reversal. Right now it is just convergent. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone here. And on the 4 hour, the observation is similar. See a flat base here. A support zone is created at 32.40, and thus ideally a selling entry is below 32.40, and then too you have to wait for it to break below 32.20. 32.20 is a very important support here, and a break below 32.20 is where you can say that the bears will take over completely. We can look forward to a drop towards 31.80 or lower levels as well. So till 32.20 today, you have to be very cautious with the sells, and yes, below 32.20 you have to be cautious with the buys. This is very clear. Now if you look at the 4 hour chart, see increasing body size here, and now you have to wait for the next candle. If the next candle stays or takes it above 32.80, 85, possibility is there that we are looking forward to a move towards 33, 33.20 zone. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has stayed enough bearish, waiting for it to cross over. It is not yet crossed over though. And if you look at the RSI, this is rising from the oversold zone. Coming to the day, now see on the daily charts, diminishing bearishness, a possible reversal sign towards the beginning of the week what we had seen, and now it is started on a flat note and trying to stay bullish. So one thing is clear, that only selling entry today is below 32.40. As long as it stays above 32.40, we have to be cautious with the sells here, and even if it drops below 32.40, you have to be extremely careful till 32.20. Below 32.20 is where the bears will be taking. This is the first point. Second point here is what it can do if this becomes a reversal sign, and when it can confirm a reversal here is today's candle. If it replicates what we had seen the last trading session, which means a movement towards 33, 33.20, and a closer somewhere here at around 32.80 itself, we can expect that the next candle, that is tomorrow, which is also the election day for US, we can see a rise here. So this is something we can anticipate. Stochastic here is oversold. The MACD here is trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards, and this suggests that there is lot much of downside still available. So that is why I say till 32, 33.20, $33 levels, at least you have to be careful today. You should not be treating this as bullish, while on the downside till 32.20 you have to be careful with the sells. It is not yet bearish. So this is a broader zone, but you can make the most out of it. You can buy here at 32.85, expect it to move towards 33, 33.20 levels the next, and if it breaks beyond this, you can expect it to move towards 33.50, 33.60 zone, the next targets, beyond which we can expect a good rise towards 33.80, 34, and that will confirm a reversal here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 32.40, expect it to move towards 32.20, and if it breaks 32.20, stay short for 32 and 31.75, below which 31.50 is going to be the next targets. Take your trades accordingly and have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.